Hey guys, how are you today? It's Mo from ProgrammerTube. Today I want to show you how to tell if a number is a power of 2 or not in C++. So if you're interested, let's jump right into it. This video is based on my previous video on how to count number of bits of an integer. Please make sure to check that one out before you watch this video. Alright, so here I am on Visual Studio. I have the project from previous video on bit count loaded on my screen here. So let's see how we can add a new function called isPowerOf2. So the idea here is we want to detect if a number is a power of 2 or not. An example of power of 2 is the number 2 itself, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, etc. So the idea here is that if you print them out in binary, you will find that all of these numbers have one bit set. Let's run this program to see an example of powers of 2. Control F5, yes. Okay, so let's take a look here. So you can see 2 has the number of bits equal to 1. Same thing goes for 4, 8, 16, etc. Okay, so let's take a look at this example where I have, this is the number 15 in binary, this is the number 16 in binary. Let's assume we want to AND the two together. The result of ANDing them together is going to be as following. It's all going to be zeros. So this can give us really a hint how we can implement isPowerOf2 with the most efficient way, which is if we AND the power of 2 with the previous number, the result was always going to be 0. Okay, so let's see how we can implement this using that technique. We can say if n and n minus 1 return false, it's not a power of 2. Otherwise, we can say return true. There's one exception here, which is if n is 0, but let's try this first. Control F5. Yes. Okay, so now as you can see, for the numbers 1, it says power of 2, yes. The number 2 is also a power of 2. Number 4 is a power of 2. Same thing for 8 and 16. The only exception here is the number 0. I think 0 should be given a special case. If n is less than 1, we can say return false. That takes care of the 0. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and see you in future videos. Thanks for watching.